Everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my AirTag, because if you follow my Twitter and Instagram, if you don't, links will be in the description. You probably know that I recently purchased an AirTag, and the reason why is because if you subscribe to this channel, which if you don't, please do, and if you also follow my Twitter and Instagram, you likely know I got these AirPods Pro recently, but Find My doesn't always work with these, and I'm losing them, so I want a more reliable way to find them, and so this is what I got. So as you can tell right here, if you look at the front of the box, it's got a little store holder thingy on it, along with an AirTag and the text on it. Here we just get some basic info. On the sides you get nothing, and on the back we just get basic stuff, and it says requires iOS or iPadOS device with the latest software, an iCloud account, and a replaceable battery is included, and that just says all this basic stuff in different languages. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I believe we just have to pull this tab, okay, and then how do these open? Oh man, I'm destroying my AirTag box already. I'm very good at opening packages, as you can tell. Okay, hang on, I'm getting in there. And yeah, so I'm pretty sure once you somehow are able to get the box open, you get your little AirTag thingy, you get all your stuff, which includes, get this pulled out here. Sorry this is taking so long. You can clearly tell I'm not an expert at opening packages, and there we go, just like that. We get literally everything in the box. So as I can tell, you just get some regulatory info nobody cares about. More regulatory info that nobody cares about. More regulatory info that nobody cares about. Last but not least, the manual along with the AirTag itself. So let's go ahead and figure out how to somehow get this open. Just like that, it just pops out, and as you can tell, it has some manuals. So now, just like this, we're going to go ahead and do and then there's the AirTag sound. And just like this, now I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone. Now I'm going to go ahead and pair it, connect, and then custom name. Now I'm obviously going to name this as my AirTag. Continue. And then let me just find a good emoji here. And let me go ahead and register it to my Apple ID. It says setting up right here. And there we go. So, alright, so now I'm going to try to find something with it. Or I'll be back once I try. Now I'm going to try to get the key holder. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my AirTag holders, which I have. Unfortunately, I don't have an AirPods case yet to where I can get the holders out, but as you can tell, I have like a 2-pack of holders right here. So these are the Loon brand. So And then just like this, we get the AirTag, and then let's go ahead and let's somehow find a way to get this holder attached. Because you know I'm very good expert at this, so let's just try to get this attached. Hang on, there might be some sort of secret method. Oh, there we go. So now just like this, we're going to put the AirTag in, and just like this, there we go. We have our AirTag in the little key holder thingy, so now I'm going to try to find something with it. As you can tell, I have my AirTag here, and I'm going to try to just basically try to lose it somewhere in real world scenarios. So let's take a little field trip in my studio, and the first test will be in the drawer. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone now, without showing it on camera because it'll show my location, and we don't want that. And as you can tell, I can hear it just fine. And as you can tell, here we go. We get the actual AirTag, which is pretty nice. So now we're going to try to put this under something, like the bed. Like, I don't know, maybe, like I'm just going to climb onto my bed here and put this. No, I'm not. I'm just going to put this under something. So I'm going to set it under my bed right here, and I'm going to get. Now obviously, as you can tell, I can hear it just fine. As you can tell, it stopped playing the sound when I touched it, and I can hear it just fine. So now I'm going to put the AirTag back in the drawer, and I'm going to turn on precision finding. Now let's just set it nearby. And as you can tell, just like that, found it. Now you do have to have at least an iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max or later in order to use precision finding, but luckily I do, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, please subscribe to my channel, and as always, peace out.